Today we are comparing two powerful AI image generators, Flux AI and Dall-E. Both can turn text into images, but they work differently and serve different needs. Let's break it down quickly. What is Dall-E? Dall-E is developed by OpenAI and is one of the most popular AI image generators. It is known for being easy to use and highly accessible through ChatGPT and other tools. Strength: very user friendly, strong at creative and artistic images, good understanding of prompts, integrates well with ChatGPT. Weaknesses: sometimes it struggles with fine details like hands or texts, less control over advanced image tuning compared to newer tools. What is Flux AI? Flux AI is a newer generation image model designed to compete with top tier tools like Dall-E and Midjourney. It focuses heavily on realism, detail, and prompt accuracy. Strength: extremely detailed and realistic outputs, better handling of complex prompts, strong consistency in characters and styles, more cinematic quality images. Weaknesses: less beginner friendly depending on the platform you use, not as widely integrated or accessible as Dall-E, can require more precise prompting. Head to head comparison. Ease of use. Dall-E wins. It's simpler and more beginner friendly. Image quality. Flux AI wins. More realistic, sharper, and more detailed outputs. Creativity and style. Dall-E is great for artistic and imaginative styles. Flux AI leans more toward realism and cinematic visuals. Prompt accuracy. Flux AI generally follows complex prompts better. Accessibility: Dall-E is easier to access through ChatGPT and other platforms. Best use cases: use Dall-E if you want quick images, simple creative designs, easy workflow inside ChatGPT. Use Flux AI if you want hyper realistic images, professional looking visuals, more control over detail and composition. Conclusion and final verdict. So there is no absolute winner here. If you want simplicity and creativity, go with Dall-E. If you want realism and high-end detail, Flux AI is the stronger choice. Both are powerful, it just depends on your workflow and goals. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to this channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends, and tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for, Flux AI or Dall-E, and why. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.